I'm in the middle of a braid out, babe. It's turning out so good. So I had to show you guys. I plaited my hair last night with some conditioner water and I oiled it. And I broke them off into several different plaits. And this is where we are right now. Back and the sides. And I have 2 left in the front. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I kind of did an under braid and then I put a rubber band on the end. So I just want to show and share the outcome. Best braid out ever. Okay, and I just could not go another second without sharing this moment with y'all. So I got it pretty tight, but here it is, y'all. And I just gotta show you. And then I'm just separating them lightly. My husband's birthday is today, so I want to do something a little different. Look at the definition. Okay, loving it. I'm gonna do one more for y'all. I just wrapped my rubber band around the end 2 times. But if y'all want to see this style from the beginning to end, let me know and I'll do a full video on how I did this braid out. Kind of like braiding and banding, which you know I don't like. If it's for this kind of outcome, I'm all for it. And then I'm just trying to take my time with my ends. And look at that. It's so pretty. Like, I am so geeked, y'all. One side done. And I just been fluffing. I'm throwing on my shades. Okay. And going on about my day. I know this isn't going to last. It's probably going to be like 75 degrees today with no real humidity, so I know they'll drop. But when I get home, I'm just put my bonnet on like I usually do at night and hope that I can get a few days out of this. So we'll see, y'all. First off, I'm irritated because I was recording and I was recording the car in front of me instead of me, y'all. I do that all the time. Anyway, this is the final look. We got like a 2-hour drive and we're gonna be up in the mountains, so we'll see what that kind of altitude, how this hair hold up. If you've been around, you know me, I'm like really simple, like my hair free like this. But yeah, so far so good. I definitely see the length with this braid out, so we'll see how it hold up and I'll touch bases with y'all soon. Thank you.
Anything else I can get for now? Right now, no. Thank you, though.
This is day 3 of my braid out. Just wanted to show you how it's holding up. It didn't sweat out in the mountains. It's still actually holding on pretty good. And then I just been putting on my bonnet at night and getting up and fluffing. But yeah, I'm gonna see how many days. Oh, I was looking for this rubber. Anyway, I'm gonna see how many days I can get out of this braid out. But so far so good. Just wanted to touch bases with y'all. About to wash my face and go to bed. So peace, y'all. I did my braid out on Saturday and it's Thursday morning. So I still have some crimps left from the braid out. It's starting to drop. Just still been putting my bonnet on all night, but it's holding up actually pretty good. It's not feeling too dry either, but I might oil it tonight. I'm trying to get through this Saturday, so hopefully I don't have to refreshen up my my braid out, so that it could be a lasting look. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I think this might be one of my new go-to styles when I want more volume to my hair. But just wanted to touch base with you guys, give you a quick little look. And I'm still feeling myself. Hope things are going good, y'all.